Students, let's continue chapter number 9, that is surface area and volume. We have already studied 3 parts in this chapter. First, we learned about cube, its formulas and all the question answers related to cube. Second, we saw cuboid, its formula and all the question answers. Then third, we learned about cylinder. Fourth one, we are learning now cone. So this is the picture of cone. Here you have a vertex. Then from vertex to center point, this is the height, which is called perpendicular height. From here center point, we have radius, that is radius of the base of cone. This is the base, right? So this is radius R, and this is slant height, that is L. Now you have 4 formulas here. In this case, it is the important part of this chapter. So first formula is R square plus H square is equal to L square. This means if R and H, that is radius and perpendicular height, is given, then you can find this slant height by this equation. So R means radius of base, H means perpendicular height and L means slant height. Next equation we have total surface area of cone is equal to pi R bracket R plus L, where pi you know already, its value 3.14 or 22 upon 7. Then R is radius and L is slant height. Next you have volume. Volume of cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi R square H. Next you have curved surface area of cone is equal to pi R L. So these are the formulas you have to by heart. Then next we will go to question answers related to cone. Let's go to practice set 9.2, page number 119, textbook page number it is. Here in this practice set 9.2, all the questions we will learn about cone. So I have given the heading cone here. Let's see question number 1. I'll read out the question. Perpendicular height of a cone is 12 cm and its slant height is 13 cm. Find the radius of the base of the cone. So first let's write the given things. Here perpendicular height H is given as 12 cm, slant height L is given as 13 cm. We have to find the radius of the base, that is R. Now we know, we have learned in the last part, that is R square plus H square is equal to L square. So here we have to use this equation. Now we have to find R. Therefore we will keep R square here and we will take plus H square to that side and it becomes minus, that is L square minus H square. Then we have R square is equal to, here now let's substitute the values. L is 13, therefore 13 square. H is 12, therefore H square is 12 square. 13 square minus 12 square, which is 13 square is 169, 12 square is 144, that is 169 minus 144 is equal to 25. Therefore R is equal to, taking square root of 25, we will get R is equal to 5 cm. So this is the answer. This is very easy question. Similar type of questions you will do as homework. Let's come to question number 2. This question is a little bit tricky question. Here they have given, find the volume of a cone if its total surface area is 7,128 square centimeter and the radius of base is 28 centimeter. In bracket value of pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Therefore they have given only 3 things. Surface area, total surface area 7,128 square centimeter, R is equal to 28 and pi is equal to 22 upon 7. From these values we have to find the volume of this cone. In order to find the volume of cone, we need H, which is height. Here by using this we can find only L, which is slant height. So we already have R. and using this we will find slant height. Therefore, in the next step, using radius and slant height, we can find the perpendicular height, which is h. After finding out the perpendicular height h, we can use it for volume of cone. Then we will find the volume of cone. First, we have to write the given things. We have already discussed. Now let's come to the main answer. Total surface area is equal to 7128 square centimeters. Same thing we will write here. Then what we will do in the next step is we will use the formula of total surface area, which is equal to pi r into r plus L, which is equal to 7128. They have already given the total surface area. So we will write the equation and we will write this. Now we know this equation is equal to this value. Now we will substitute the values which are given. Pi is 22 upon 7 multiplied by r is 28 multiplied by r is again 28 plus L we don't know, that is slant height. So L we will write as it is equal to 7128. Now we will follow all these steps. Here 7 ones are 7 fours are 28, so we can just cut. You can do as you want. Here this is simplification method, that is just 7 ones are 7 fours are 28. Therefore in the next step we will write 22 multiplied by this 4, then everything same. Next we will take this 22 multiplied by 4 into this side. Here it is multiplied. When it comes to this side it becomes divide. Therefore 28 plus L is equal to 7128 upon 22 into 4. 7128 upon 22 into 4 is 88. Then 7128 divided by 88 is equal to 81. This you have to divide and you have to see. Then we have this 28 will take to that side. Here it is positive, when it goes this side becomes negative. Therefore L is equal to 81 minus 28, which is equal to 53. Now we got this slant height L as 53 centimeter. Now that we got L is equal to 53, R we already know as 28 centimeter. Now we will find H. So we will use this equation again, r square plus h square is equal to L square, from where we will find h square is equal to plus r square will go that side and becomes L square minus r square. H square is equal to L square is 53 square minus r square is 28 square. Then next 53 square is 2809 minus 28 square is 784. H square is equal to 2809 minus 784 is equal to 2025. H is equal to, by taking square root of 2025, we get H as 45 centimeter. Now that we got H, now we will find the volume of cone, which is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square H. This is the formula. Now we will substitute the values in the formula. We have 1 upon 3 into pi is 22 upon 7 into r square, which is 28 square, or you can write 28 multiplied by 28. Both you can write one and same. Then H is equal to 45. Now here again I have simplified. 3 ones are 3, 3 15s are 45. Then one more simplification I have done. 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28. Okay, next step we will write the remaining things. Here in this we have to only write 22 multiplied by here 4 multiplied by this 28 multiplied by this 15. Now all these 4 if you multiply, you will get this answer, that is 36,960 cubic centimeter. Here you have to give units. Since it is volume, we have to write cubic centimeter. So this is the answer.